Good morning.
Good morning. Today is a very typical day for us living in Lisbon, doing errands and working, but it's very different from how we were living in Australia, so we thought it would be fun to document it.
We're currently out of bread, so we're going to take you down the street and show you our local bakery. Cheers. Yeah.
Sourdough.
How good. Time to make some Vegemite toast.
It wasn't me, I swear. The correct way to have Vegemite toast. This much, not all of it. Vegemite toast done correctly. Time we get some work done. We've just been sitting around home. We're very spoilt for choice as far as really nice cafes in Lisbon, especially ones that you can work at. So instead of just sitting at home while it's a beautiful sunny day, we're going to head to one of the trendy spots down the road, do some work, get a coffee, and then hopefully be more productive when we get back home.
Bit of Lisbon scaffolding, that should hold.
I just wanna move with your loving, yeah. Oh, let's make a movie with you, baby, yeah. I just wanna move with your loving,
yeah. Lockie is a very gourmet yogurt bowl granola chef.
We're good. Cheer, boys. Bottle brush season.
€40 budget.
We're going shopping. We have a bit of a budget. It's €40 today, so let's see if we can get underneath that.
If you're like us and you're super fascinated about grocery stores in different countries, this is for you. So we're getting our fruit and veg and then just a heap of like pantry staples.
The fun part about Pingo Doce is that you can weigh your own veggies and you can be your own checkout chick. And it gets a little docket and then you chuck them on your broccoli.
Mushies.
Pasta, rice, tomatoes, always. Most grocery stores have their own cafe. You can get like a cooked lunch and hot food. Tofu.
So the total came to $33.40. We consider that a win.
I realised we had so many leftover old veggies from last week in the fridge, so in true Shannon form, I cut them all up and put them in a pot, and we have soy protein mince with veggies. Hungry?
Bye. Have fun. aftermath of trapeze. No pain, no gain.
We just got back from the gym and we're about to cook Portuguese rice.
I'm gonna say it in Portuguese, but I get scared with the accent. Arroz de feijões, which is beans. So beans with rice. But we don't eat fish, so we're making our fish alternative with tofu and like nori sheets. And we bought an air fryer, so we're gonna fry our little fishy boys.